Emiliana Designs, where I help YouTubers and creatives get spiritually and digitally aligned with their creative side through business graphics, YouTube graphics, and Procreate illustrations. Hey, what's up, pop y'all? It's your girl Emiliana Designs, Yana. It is November the 5th, so it is after Halloween and it is after my birthday, which was November the 3rd. And we did have the Halloween / birthday sale, but stay tuned for Black Friday coming up soon. So, anywho, I want to take you guys on my shopping journey of how I was able to pick out my Halloween costume, and then you guys can guess what my Halloween costume was in the comment section below, and then you'll actually see me get ready for it for Halloween. Wish list to put together my Halloween costume, you guys. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm trying to be. You guys have to guess and figure it out as we are shopping together and taking screenshots of all of the items needed to create the outfit. Y'all, I'm super excited for this look. I have to pull it off. I may not purchase everything that is, being screenshotted, because that would be a lot of money just for a Halloween costume. But I'm still trying to pick pieces that I would regularly wear versus just buying a Halloween costume. So I want them to be like practical pieces that I would, still kind of wear. So as far as the gothic pieces, those aren't really practical. Those are just kind of like accessories to go with it. So let me know in the comment section below if you did dress up for Halloween. I'm most likely going to upload this on my birthday because y'all know I do tutorial Tuesdays, and my birthday actually falls on a Tuesday, November the 3rd. Right now is the time to drop in the comment section below, who do you think I am dressing up as for Halloween according to all of the items seen here. The next clip will be Halloween Day. Hey y'all, it's Halloween. Nope.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything, get ready for transformation. I love that.